Good morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Project Camper. Most of all, welcome back to living the van life. Right, this week, well this weekend, do you know what, I thought I'd stop all the videos of product reviews and stuff like that and just go back to having a nice weekend somewhere. So that's exactly what I'm doing. And I've actually come to a little van life meet, and it is a mini meeting, and it's organised by Mark from the Big Picnic. And it is a scorcher of a weekend. It's going to be hot. I mean, I'm hot now. I've had a bit of a lie-in, to be fair, and it's 11:43 now. Just come out of the shower, and the van is on fire. Max air fans on. I'll have probably open up the rear doors because it is mightily hot. Anyway, let me show you the weather because it is so beautiful. Look at this. Sun is bashing in the sky. Got my little solar panel out. That's only to charge that power bank. But look at this, it's just a little mini meet. Got Mark over there, got a couple of vans there, and we've got Richard over there. And we've just come this side because it's a bit flatter. But yeah, it's absolutely stunning here. So the idea of this weekend is just to relax, calm down a little bit, and watch Mark cook food, teach us how to do a little bit of something different. I mean, his recipe is absolutely fantastic. He made us something last night. I can't remember what it was, but I'll include it in the video. And it was just so nice to just sit here under those little trees and just chill out. And then we went to the brewery. We had a pint of like brewery lager, and that was quite nice. So yeah, here we are, just relaxing in the van, doing nothing. And sometimes I think to myself, why not? Life is quite hectic sometimes. I've had a bit of a hectic working week, and I just needed to chill out. And sometimes I just make my life probably a little bit complicated sometimes by saying yes to too many people, or you know, I can't stop helping. But sometimes you just got to like say no, chill out, take a break. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So filled up with water, had a shower, and I'm in the middle of nowhere. It's just like lovely. So let's see what today brings.
Welcome to the Van Life Eats mini meet. Look at this, amazing, beautiful. We've got the fairy lights. We're in the copse area. It's one of my favourite zones of the Van Life Eats festival, and we are making a paella, a Valencian style paella. So we got chicken, we got pork, we got seasonal vegetables, and we got the paella rice that's just simmering away, and that'll be done soon, and we can all enjoy.
That looks lovely. And we've got more here.
Look at that, everyone's dipped in and created something amazing. Feast for all, sharing is caring.
Yeah. David!
Well, you're going to come in 6.
So as Mark said, isn't that right, Toby?
Yep.
We are at the Van Life Eats mini meet, and this is like just a nice, chilled out, gentle. Sorry, mate, did you not want a beer in it? Yes. I'm just taking the mickey. Do you see that? Like old man abuse. I'm telling your dad.
Love it, dude.
I'm telling
Love
your
it.
dad. Yeah, so we're here and we're just going to just chilled out evening. We've got like little fairy lights. And we got some little, look, we even got that puppy dog. Look at this. Look. Hey. Hey, yo. Oh, that's so sweet.
I'll just get my dog.
Oh. It's probably be on YouTube. So yeah, so it's our first night. We'll just have a gentle chilled out, and then we'll see what happens tomorrow morning. Say bye. Bit of editing going on here. Right, we are back underneath the trees because it's like, look at that. It's absolutely stunning here. We're all sitting in a circle. And we are here because Mark is going to show us some amazing cooking tips. So let's go and have a look. So Mark's got lemon from the Amalfi Coast, some honey. What's that one, mate?
So we're making a honey mustard dip. So we've got Dijon mustard. We've got amazing local honey, always buy local honey. And then we've got some classic mayo, you know, that's all we need. But best of all, we've got these beautiful Amalfi lemons to freshen everything up.
Oh, yeah. That was easy. That's just like...
A little bit mustardy, so just want to add a little bit more honey into that.
Right, so we've got here some mayonnaise, some parsley, flat leaf, some garlic powder, some thyme, some dill, and sumac, and some sesame seeds, and some Amalfi lemon with a ladybird. And I've just seen pink salt. I don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. Oh yeah, Himalayan pink salt.
Working in a field at the time. Yeah.
Look at that! Mate, you done well.
Do you know what? That I tried to make it in that bowl, and it was quite difficult. Thanks, mate.
That's awesome.
And then put that back into your bowl.
If I put it upside down,
Yeah, then the moisture will get there.
right?
Okay. So then you get your bowl.
So this is a bit I didn't see.
Okay, so I'm just going to cut a bit off my... So we pick it up, right? And then we want to keep one whole surface like correct. So hold it like that and then fold and tuck all of that in. Okay?
Just like a dough ball.
Yeah, but pull it up and in so you'll push it out to the sides.
It doesn't hurt to do that again.
No, that's okay, yeah.
It doesn't go hard.
No, as long as it's covered. And it's pinch and pull, so you want to pinch it and just pull it on nice and firm. Perfect.
Absolute pro. Well done, man.
So now it's on there, just pull. Turning pill. So we need to keep an eye on it. That's it. So you can just, as you put it in there, you can just shimmy it round. That's it. Easy. So you just take one side and pull and twist it round.
Yeah.
Right. I think you're. Look at your base. So look at the bottom of it, just to make sure you're good.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can bring that out. I would have used this one, but that's cool. Yes.
Yeah, mate. Well done.
Hey.
Hey.
First ever pizza.
Very good.
Yeah, well done, mate.
Right, just. Well, you've got to cut them 6.
Oh yeah, freshly made pizza. You can't get any fresher than that. Like 90 seconds ago, this was in the oven. Oh. Oh.
Just check your base.
Yeah, I think that's done.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, it's the other one.
Very nice.
Well done, Zoe. Yay. Look at that.
Oh yeah, it's got quite a nice
Let's go.
Yeah.
Nice crust for wholemeal. Let's go.
Well done, Gertie. Smashed it.
Oh, yeah, lovely. 10 seconds on that.
So that
Oh,
makes it.
yeah. Look at
Okay.
that.
Oh yeah.
We're working in a field at the time. Yeah. It's like,
Well, today we've woken up and we've got a food fair. I don't think you can hear me now. As soon as I press record, the wind's got up. But we've got like gluten-free stalls over here, all fresh produce, honey. There's honey and tea, cider. Oh, it's just like so much like food. Oh, this one has got mead. It's just so nice. And what a fantastic day. There's pizza over there. I think I've more pizzaed out, to be fair. But look at this, it's glorious. What an amazing weekend. I've had such a fantastic time. Actually, it's really, really well needed because, yeah, last week was a bit tough at work, like probably other people, I suppose. But just to get away and just chill out and have a really super relaxing weekend. Thoroughly enjoyed it, and it was much needed. And if you do, you know, if you do find yourself that work's got too much or something's got a bit too much, just chill out. Just chill out. I mean, look at this. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy this lovely day. And tomorrow, yep, I've got work, which I'm not really looking forward to, but because it's been an amazing weekend. So anyway, I'm going to enjoy this some more.
A little annoyingly,
What you bought?
there's the Oktoberfest in October.
What you bought?
some garlic vinegar.
Oh, right.
Boom. Yeah, it's tasty. Tasty, tasty.
Got some black garlic vinegar, which is really,
I tasted
really
that.
nice.
We got the chili
Yeah.
and lime one and the
Did you?
mango.
You can't buy it all, can you? That's the thing.
Yeah. Would you like some wholemeal dough?
Mark has been an absolutely fantastic host. He has got a book, and I've just purchased the book, and I can't wait to try some of the recipes because the food he's cooking in his van is absolutely fantastic. It really is. It's been an absolute eye-opener. And this weekend was like cheap as chips. It really was. And to be fair, the knowledge that the guy's just like given us, it's just perfect van life food. Lovely, comfortable street food that you can cook in your van, not get attacked by wasps. Such an invasion of wasps lately. Anyway, so we are going to enjoy the night, eat our pasta, and then we are going to go to the brewery and have a beer or two with Richard. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to click and subscribe. Give me the thumbs up, give me the thumbs down. Any interaction, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, everyone. Bye.